Hello students, today I am going to discuss about the stats for economics, the 3 NAT hacks to outsmart the regression and probability like a pro. Regression and probability sounds like you are about to marry mathematics and statistics at the same time and both are toxic. But fear not. I am here to give you 3 super smart NAT hacks to help you nail those tricky IIT Jam stats for economic questions without turning your brain into mashed potatoes. Hack number 1. Let's say they ask find the regression coefficient using x and y values. Most students panic like यार फॉर्मूला क्या था याद ही नहीं है अब क्या करें. Relax. Jam trick is forget the formulas, just remember the vibe. Numerator is equal to how much x and y dance together, that is co-movement, and denominator is x's personal energy level, its variance. If both go in the same direction, then it's positive. If one goes up and the other goes down, then it's negative. Just like when you study hard and your crush blocks you. And now the bonus tip. If they give you mean values and totals, convert everything to table form. Don't trust your head. Use your pen and pen does not panic. Hack number 2. Jam loves saying probability of failure is 0.2, find the probability of success. And you go into full 3-step mode, writing full paragraphs like it's an essay competition. But why, bro? It's just 1 minus 0.2, that is 0.8. Jam tip is probability of opposite is equal to 1 minus given. That's it. No drama, just the subtraction. Now, watch out for our Jam's at least trap. At least one of the items works out of 3 trials. You feel tempted to calculate all the 3 success scenarios. Nope. Just do 1 minus probability of none succeeded. Quick, NAT friendly, time saving, be lazy, Jam reverse it. Hack number 3. The typical NAT twist. They will give you the expectation of x and variance of x and say find the expectation of x square. Most students go blank like, sir, ये तो syllabus में नहीं था ना? It was. You just skipped it like your morning alarm. The smart formula flip is expectation of x square is variance of x plus expectation of x's whole square. Remember, this is not just a formula. It's Jam's favorite reverse trap. If you can do this with confidence, you just secured 3 marks and that is 80% of the students lose. Pro level NAT solving is not about doing more. It's about thinking like Jam's question setter. Now, how does our coaching center help? Here is the truth. Most coaching classes throw formulas at you. But at our coaching, we teach you to spot the patterns. We tell you, beta, this question is type R reverse formula based and this one is a straight NAT with trick wording. We use the Jam specific mock test, NAT type focused crush rounds, memory hacks for lazy learners, and personal mentorship for your style of thinking. One-to-one sessions affordable for all and free batches for bright students who can't afford coaching. Because stats is not tough. It's just designed to punish the overthinker and reward the strategic mind. So next time a NAT pops up and regression or probability, just break the sweat, just break the pattern and maybe break the scoreboard too.